Hello again, and welcome to Lombardi Engineering. Today we're going to be working on the mouse again, my 1/16 RC model, 2B RC model. And I brought a whole bunch of tracks to work on. And so I'm going to work a little magic here and just go, oh, look at that. So all of those links are going to come together and make a track. The mouse takes 54 links, which are composed of a large track, a middle track, and 2 external links. And so this pattern just repeats itself over and over. That's about it. So first step, I'm going to sort out all of this stuff and put them in their respective piles. Alright, now I've got 3 piles of the large tracks, the links, well, the small links, and the large links. I also have this 51,000th soft stainless steel rod, and that's what is going to be the connecting pin for all of this. It takes, looks like roughly 2.5, 2.25 inches for each link. So you're going to be using a lot of this stuff, and it kind of sucks, but it works out pretty well. I'm not going to try and bore you with making all 54 of them, so I'm just going to demonstrate making probably 1 or 2 links, and then you'll have to do it from there. Just a reminder that all of the models for these, the STLs, are designed in inches, and then once you import them into your slicer, you will have to scale them up 200 times to get them the same size that I use. Of course, it doesn't stop you from scaling them up maybe 400 times, which would be fantastic, and probably the next project of mine. So let's get started. Take the big track, we take 1 outside link, another one, get everything ready to go, and we start inserting the rod, making sure to line up with all the holes. And it pushes through pretty easy, unless you don't have it lined up correctly. So just bear that in mind, that it should be relatively doable. Alright, so now we're poking out the back side, so what we're going to do is chop off this end and push it a little farther in, so that we don't have to deal with getting ourselves cut on it. And chop, and push it in so that it's past the end of this track right here. And these move freely, pin's not falling out, so we're doing good there. Next we'll take another large link, and this one's really easy to do the second time around because you're not fooling with everything, and it just moves so cleanly through, except for there, I guess. There, got it. So now cut it, get it as close to flush as you can, because you still have like 1/4 inch or more to work with here. Then it goes through, and you've got 1.5 links done. Next you take your pieces, get them ready, start sticking it through. Outer link, Make sure to have it in the correct orientation. Next track. Keep pushing the rod through. Wait for it to get to the end there. Install it in the correct orientation. And stick it the rest of the way through. Chop it off. Push the link flush. Get another big track. And stick the connecting pin through again. So you're going to be spending a pretty long time doing this, I gotta say. I have not figured out like a faster or easier method of getting it done. And anyway, it'll come out really cool. And you'll be like, whoa, look at what I did. I did something very cool with my time and didn't just spend it on Facebook or Instagram mindlessly scrolling. So remember to be productive with your time and make an investment now that you can reap the benefits of later, like a tank. I'll finish up this one and then turn off the video for now. So we got the last piece that we're going to be able to use from this one. These come in 12-inch lengths off of mcmaster card. I'll probably provide a part number in the description because I don't exactly know right now. But I can describe it. It's a Malin Company 51,000 staff stainless steel like locking wire. It's pretty malleable. There's 50 pieces in a package and they're all 12 inches in length. So finishing up here, gonna chop it and push it in, which means for every piece of your rod you get 1, 2, 3 links. It's been almost 6 minutes now, so you can average like a minute and a half per track. 54 tracks. You're going to be doing this for an hour, or I'm going to be doing this for an hour. So I'm going to come in when I have more links, and I've probably just given up. So see you soon. I've now made a total of 40 links. They look pretty fantastic, I must say. My hands are tired. My thumb feels awful. I think I got the hang of it though, because I was going pretty fast at the end. I turned on the camera so that we could see the two coming together to make 40, because I've only got 4 more links after this, and then I'm out of material for now. So this pin is gonna go, oh my gosh, I'm so tired, right through the middle here. Work it, work it. And I'm gonna flip it around and try the other side instead. Yeah. Putting this together when it's on the mouse is going to be the most difficult in the whole world, because then I'll be fighting with the fact that I can't reach around it as much as I can like now. But using the power of tools, I was able to do it. So cut that, push that in, and Wow. Look at that. That's gonna be awesome. Just like rolling around there. So, total of 40 links here. Judging by the size of the tank, it's gonna be 54 is gonna be pretty close to the correct amount, because these will go around and down. I need 14 more links. That's how 454 works, yeah. I need 14 more links, at least, to complete this track, and then the suspension. And once that's done, I get to string at least one side together and see how it runs with the motor engaged. So stay tuned for that. I'm already kind of concerned that the number of tracks that I have will not be long enough. So I've got 52 here, spans out to be, I don't know, almost looks like 3 feet. We'll go through here, like so. Comes around, of course. Got the idler on the front. And looks like I'm missing by, I don't know, probably like 4 to 6 tracks lengths. So I think what I'll do is make up a bunch more of those and get them ready, because I'm definitely going to need them. Just a little bit too short. That's going to be where I conclude this video, because it's pretty much all self-explanatory from here. As the suspension will go on. Oh. Here's an example, kind of. So it'll go on nice and easy. Right like that. With the 2 bogies there, riding in the middle. When it loops around, it goes across on top of these, so that it doesn't contact the supporting rod. There'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 supporting rods on each side, each with 2 of the suspension pieces and 2 wheels on each of those, so you can have a lot of wheels. So we'll probably be assembling a bunch of these in the next video and then installing them. Alright, thanks for tuning in.